Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic rounding of numbers. It means that when we buy any item such as refrigerator, TV or bicycle, we normally do not tell the exact price of that items. If the refrigerator cost is 19,700, we would say the price is approximately 20,000. If the bicycle cost is 7,200, we would say the price is approximately 7,000. This way of expressing number approximately is called rounding of numbers. Actually, we learned this topic in our previous classes. So, now we just revise rounding of numbers nearest 10, 100 and 1000. First, I will explain rounding of numbers nearest 10 with the help of some example. Our first heading is nearest 10. Consider the examples. First example, write the number 27. We know that 27 lies between 20 and 30. Next we take the ones place value, that is 7. Nearest tens, there are some conditions, that is 1 to 4 is rounded down to the first number and 6 to 9 is rounded up to the second number. These are the conditions of nearest 10. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. In these numbers, it is rounded down to the first number, and 6, 7, 8, 9. In these number, it is rounded up to the second number. Then our number is 27. 27 is lies between 20 and 30. Then next number, ones place value is 7. Then we take 7 belongs to which category? In this category, 7 belongs to 1 to 4 or 6 to 9. Yes, 7 belongs to the 6 to 9 category. That is 6, 7. So, 27 is rounded up to 30. Therefore, 27 is rounded up to 30. Then consider second example, 432. Actually, this number is 100 number. Here we want tens number. That is, here we consider the problem as nearest 10. So, we take the number 32. 32 lies between 30 and 40. Next, we take the ones place value. Here, ones place value is 2. So, we take our categories. 1 to 4 belonging to the rounded down to first and 6 to 9 rounded up to the second number. Our number is 2. Then the 2 is belonging to first category. That is, so 2 is rounded down to this number. That is 32 is rounded down to 30. 32 rounded down to 30. Actually, our number is 432. So, 432 is rounded down to 430. See, third example. Consider the number 2734. Actually, this number is thousands place number. Here we want tens numbers. That is, our tens number is 34. So, we know that 34 is lies between 30 and 40. Then we take ones place value, that is 4. 4 is belonging to first or second category. 4 is belonging to the first category. That is, it is rounded down to 30. So, 34 is rounded down to 30. Then in our number is 2734. So, we write 2730. 2734 is rounded down to 2730. Once again, I explain. First topic is nearest 10. I will explain with the help of some example. First number is 27. 27 is lies between 20 and 30. Next we take ones place value. Here ones place value is 7. There are two categories, 1 to 4 belonging to the down category and 6 to 9 belongs to the up category. Here our ones place value is 7. So 7 belongs to 6 to 9. So it is up to next number, that is 27 is rounded up to 30. Then next problem 432. Actually this number is hundreds place value. Here we take the nearest 10 case. That is, here we want the tens values, that is 32. Then 32 is lies between 30 and 40. Here we take the ones place value is 2. The 2 belonging to rounded down to the first number, that is 32 is rounded down to 30. Our number is 432. The 432 is rounded down to 430. Then next is 2734. Here we want the number 34 only. Actually this number is 1000 place number. We consider the case of nearest 10. So we take the number 34 only. We know that 34 is lies between 30 and 40. Then we take the ones place value. Ones place value is 4. So 4 is lies between down category. That is 1 to 4 is belonging to rounded down to the first number. So 34 is rounded down to 30. Then we take the number all numbers, that is 2734. First we write 2700, then in the place of 34 we write 30. That is 2734 is rounded down to 2730. Okay. Our next heading is nearest 100. Consider the example. 286. We know that 286 is lies between the number 200 and 300. Then we take the number tens place values, that is 86. In nearest 100 there are conditions. Consider one example, 286. We know that 286 is belongs to 286 is lies between 200 and 300. In this case of rounding of a numbers nearest 100, 1 to 49 is rounded down to the first number. 1 to 49 is rounded down to the first number. And 51 to 99 rounded up to the second number. These are the conditions of nearest 100, that is 1 to 49. The numbers included in 1 to 49, that is down to the first number, and the numbers included in 51 to 99, that is up to second number. Here we take the tens place values, that is 2 values, 86. 86 is belonging to which category? 1 to 49 or 51 to 99? Yes, it is belongs to 51 to 99. So it is rounded up to the second number. Here 286 is rounded up to the second number, that is 300. So 286 is rounded up to 300. Consider our second example. 2732. Second example, 2732. Actually this number is thousands place number. Here we want only hundreds numbers, that is 732. We know that 732 is lies between 700 and 800. Next we take two values, that is 32. So 32 is belonging to 1 to 49 category, that is it is rounded down to the first number. So it is rounded down to 700. That is 732 is rounded down to 700. Actually our number is 2732. So 2732 is rounded down to 2000. Then in the place of 732 we write the number 700. So 2732 is rounded down to 2700. Okay. Once more I will explain. Nearest 100. Then first example is 286. 286 is lies between 200 and 300. Then nearest 100, there are two conditions. 1 to 49 is rounded down to the first number and 51 to 99 is rounded up to the second number. Here our number is 286. So we take the two number, that is 86. Then 86 is belonging to second category, that is 51 to 99. So it is rounded up to second number. Therefore 286 is rounded up to 300. Therefore 286 is rounded up to 300. Then next problem, 2732. Actually this number is 1000 place number. Here we want 100 numbers, that is 732. So we know that 732 is lies between 700 and 800. Okay. Then we take the number 32. 32 belonging to the first category, that is it is rounded down to the first number. So 732 is rounded down to 700. Actually our number is 2732. So 2732 is rounded down to 2000. In the place of 732 we write the number 700. Therefore 2732 is rounded down to 2700. Third heading is nearest 1000. Consider one example, 2478. We know that 2478 is lies between 2000 and 3000. Next we take the three values, that is 478. First of all, this 478 is belonging to which category? Then our conditions are 1 to 499 is rounded down to the first number. And 501 to 999 up to the second number. So our number is 478. So identify 478 is belonging to which category? That is 1 to 499. So it is rounded down to the first number. Therefore 2478 is rounded down to 2000. 78 is rounded down to 2000. Then second example, consider the number 17,234. This is 10,000 number. These numbers are belongs to 10,000. Here we want the case of nearest 1000. So we take the number 7,234. So write 7,234. This number lies between 7,000 and 8,000. Next we take the number 234. Then 234 belongs to also the first category, that is 1 to 499 is rounded down to the first number. So our number is 234. So 234 is rounded down to the first number, that is 7,000. Therefore we write 7,234 is rounded down to 7,000. Actually our number is 17,234. So we write 17,234 is rounded down to 17,000 in the place of 234. In the place of 7,234 we write the number 7,000. So write 17,000. Therefore 17,234 is rounded down to 17,000. Once more our heading is nearest 1000. First problem 2,478. So we know that 2,478 is lies between 2,000 and 3,000. Then next we take the three values, that is 478. Our conditions are 1 to 499 is rounded down to the first number and 501 to 999 is rounded up to the second number. In our number is 478. So that belong to first category, that is rounded down to the first number. So 2478 is rounded down to 2000. Our second question is 17,234. Actually this number is 10,000 belonging family. Here we want 1000 case, so we take only 1000 position number, that is 7234. We also know that this number lies between 7000 and 8000. Then we take the number 234. 234 is belonging to the rounded down to the first number. So 7234 is rounded down to 7000. Actually our number is 17,234. In the place of 7,234 we write 7,000. Therefore 17,234 is rounded down to 17,000. Okay. So let us wind up our class. Thank you.